by adding a few new accessories and some new gadgets can make your car look and feel refreshing again. So, to save your precious time, here are 15 new cool car accessories you should definitely have in your vehicle. Keep tabs on your car with this brilliantly connected car adapter, able to deliver real-time location traffic at any time. It updates every 10 seconds and acts as a literal GPS system for your vehicle. It's a great device to keep stored in your car in case of emergencies, especially if and when someone else is driving. Plus, advanced digital connectivity lets you sync this device to your Echo, Nest, and other smart devices. Ultra-compact, lightweight, discreet, and durable, it slips easily into cars, trucks, strollers, bags, backpacks, trunks, and pockets, keeping you instantly in the know with just a simple click on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Unlike other devices, you can also track unlimited devices under one account with an easy-to-use app. 100% compatible with smartphones, tablets, and other electronic devices, this USB Type-C cable offers a faster, easier, and more convenient way to charge your devices in your car. Gone are the days of having to wade through various cables to charge each specific device. This charger is completely universal and is the real deal. These days, it's almost required that you have at least one USB charger in your car. If you live in a city where street parking is common, then this backup camera is essential. Featuring a fuss-free installation, this HD backup camera records in 720p and comes with a sleek 4.3-inch display for wide-angle viewing. The image can be flipped between the mirror rear view and the facing front view. You can use the camera as a rear camera or a front camera optional. Able to rotate at an impressive 360 degrees, you simply connect it to your car for some added sight. It's also waterproof and comes with built-in night vision. Jealous of all your friends who have cars with built-in seat warmers? Now you don't have to be. This handy heating and cooling cushion fits comfortably over your seat and provides instant comfort during those freezing winter evenings and scorching summer afternoons. With 3 different cooling levels and 2 different heating options, it instantly adds a little more comfort to your ride. The 3D mesh fabric is also super soft, looks amazing, and helps provide optimum ventilation. Stay one step ahead with this awesome and economical radar detector with a built-in GPS. This handy radar is able to send alerts from several miles away. Top flight sensitivity delivers radar alerts up to several miles away, while excellent blind spot monitor traffic monitor filtering prevents false alerts. GPS lockout capability lets the Radenso XP remember common false alerts along your regularly driven routes, so you never have to listen to the same false alert twice. An advanced detection system and traffic monitoring software help cut back on false alarms as well. With the JX-H65 image processor, the image clarity and brightness presented by Sungo 2 are greatly improved, providing you with vivid pictures no matter it is day or night. The camera can be charged with solar energy, so there's no need to worry about running out of battery even in the field. The 3350 mAh large-capacity battery has super endurance. Sungo 2 supports connecting 2 cameras at the same time. You can install the second camera on the front or side of the car to keep your surroundings under control. The settings of the 2 cameras are independent and do not interfere with each other. The solar panels use American SunPower monocrystalline silicon. The conversion efficiency is increased by 23%. The charging efficiency is increased by 30%. Completely wireless installation, no need to connect the camera to reversing light, no need to connect the monitor to the camera. A modern car is a clean car, and there's no better way to keep your car spotless than by using this uber-powerful car vacuum. Sure, you can stop by the car wash every other day to help keep your floors and seats spotless, but we think it's easier to do it yourself. The slim and unique design helps this vacuum cleaner go where no traditional vacuum has gone before, making it possible to scoop up all those old candy wrappers and French fries in between your seats. This handy dash cam offers full 1080p video and immersive 12-megapixel resolution on a 3-inch screen. With a built-in G sensor, this dash cam can automatically detect a sudden shake, collision, and lock the footage to prevent the video from being overridden even in loop recording. With tons of recording options, built-in motion sensors, wide-angle lens, and more, it's a great investment to help protect your car whether you're driving this weekend or not. An accident scene can be truly restored, then you can stay away from the liar and loss. Don't have Bluetooth in your car? No problem. This handy transmitter gives your car an instant Bluetooth boost by connecting to your car's stereo. Enjoy hands-free calls and listen to your favorite tunes on Amazon Music without ever lifting a finger. As an added bonus, it comes with 2 built-in USB chargers, so you can finally charge your phone while you drive. There are many kits and products such as run flat tires that allow you to patch up the problem but cannot add air back to your tire. That's when a product such as ICARMAINT portable air compressor mini tire inflator can come in handy. This small and compact inflator supports 110-volt AC and 12-volt DC supply and has a 3000 mAh built-in rechargeable lithium battery. After one full charge, it can inflate 3 car tires or 16 bicycle tires, providing up to 120 psi powerful pressure and 20 liters per minute of airflow, making it one of the best car gadgets. If you've ever had the displeasure of having the battery in your vehicle die, you know how frustrating that can be. If you have the NOCO Boost Plus Lithium Car Jump Starter tucked in the trunk of your car, you don't need to stress. It comes equipped with 1000 amps of power and it can jumpstart 12-volt cars, SUVs, trucks, or vans up to 20 times on a full charge. It takes less than 3 hours for a full charge, and it can also charge your phone with dual USB ports and other car accessories using a 12-volt 10 amperes DC port. A dash cam is one of the best car gadgets that you can buy, and the VanTop H610 mirror dash cam for cars with its dual cams provides Ultra HD video resolution so that if you have an accident, you may be able to capture the license of the other driver. It also comes equipped with a backup camera so that you can put your car in reverse and have a good view for ease of parking. Consider this dash cam as your parking assistant. This electric kettle will boil water or milk so that you can make tea, hot cocoa, or instant noodles on the road. It's meant to be used on 12-volt cars, not 24-volt, so please check before plugging it in. But if you're taking a long road trip and want to be able to brew while you drive, this makes one heck of a car gadget. Intelligent car electric kettle powered by cigarette lighter charger base, electric car cup thermos, kettle, standard 12-volt vehicle power supply plug is with a built-in fuse to guarantee the safety and sufficient boiling. If you have kids or pets, you know that things get pretty messy in your car. You can make clean up food particles, dust, or stray hair a breeze with ThisWorx portable car vacuum cleaner. It is lightweight and powers up from your car's 12-volt outlet. It also has an extension tube so you can get into tight corners and a brush head for your car's rug and cloth upholstery. Get rid of stale and strong odors with Philips GoPure Compact 200. It will get the air in your car and clean and fresh. Its 3-stage filtration system removes up to 99% of pollution, gases, smoke, and pollen that might have gotten trapped in your vehicle. Plus, this car air purifier has a sensor that gives you information on your air quality. What's your opinion about these car gadgets? Which gadget did you like the most? Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.